welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry it's been a long time, but I promise I'm back with something good this time. Da 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 da! You can see kind of a glimpse of these orange boxes, and you know what we're gonna unbox today. So just to give you a little background, ever since I was a little girl, I've always dreamed of owning a Birkin or a Kelly, but obviously that's not something I can just go into the store and pick it off the shelf. So I sort of gave myself a timeline growing up and be like, you know, I think sometime before 40 years old, if I could get a bag, that would be great. I don't know what's gotten into me. Maybe it was because it was COVID and we didn't get to travel much in 2020. We didn't get to go home to see our family. So it really made me rethink this whole thing, and I just really wanted to get a Birkin like this year. Which is why we're having this unbox video. So basically in the last couple months I've been doing a lot of research on how to get an Hermes BKC so-called. So B stands for Birkin, K stands for Kelly, and C stands for Constance. I could make another very long video to share what I found, but I figure it might be more useful once I do obtain one of my bag than to share my whole process with you, because I don't know if it's gonna work or not. But for now, I'm just gonna do the unboxing video and share what I've gotten from Hermes lately. Personally, I love Hermes as a brand, but obviously it's not the most affordable. But I personally do love Hermes as a brand, so I don't mind getting these items, and I do personally like them. But honest that, you know, like, the reason I'm doing this is because I do have a goal in mind. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So the first thing I have here, actually I don't know which one of the two is this. Oh, I think I know what this is. So let's just open this bad boy. Oh, so these are the Iran sandals. Ta-da! Here they are. So, I mean, I'm sure a lot of you fashionista out there are very, very familiar or already own a pair of Iran sandals. I'm sort of late to the game because I think a lot of you know from my previous videos that I actually own the Saint Laurent tribute sandals as well. And I do love these sandals, but as I mentioned in my other video, that they're not the most comfortable to wear because I find the ledges here, they scrape my feet, and pretty badly too. Like, I would need to wear a bandage and stuff. So I haven't been making use of these shoes as much as I would like to. But I really do like the idea of wearing sandals in summertime. So, which is why I'm willing to spend the money to basically get a same pair of style of sandals. And I've heard really good reviews about the Iran sandals, how comfortable they are, and how obviously they're pretty stylish, and they have so many colors that go with so many outfits. It's a classic, it's a staple in the closet. The only thing I would advise for those of you kind of thinking of getting a pair for the summer is to actually go into the store to try them on. So I actually went into the store to try them on, and I try on both 37.5 and 38, and 37.5 is my usual size. However, when I try on the 38, I actually like the look better on me, and the reason being is that I like how there was a little bit of space, a gap between my toes and the edge of the shoes. 37.5, my toes would just sit like right at the edge. The reason why I did not end up going with the 38, it's because my feet were too skinny. So when I try on the 38, I love the length, I love the look on me. However, the space over here, it was too big on me. So when I was walking around the store, like, I find my feet slipping. So unfortunately, because of that reason, I have to stick with the 37.5. So I would really strongly advise for you to go into the store to try, because the space here, it's like different for everybody's feet. So you might want to try on and see, like, for some people for my essay, she was telling me that some people find it too tight here and then they would have to go up a size, and some people find it too loose and they have to go down a size. So I would say go in, try it, and see what's comfortable. I haven't worn these shoes yet because I just unboxed them. I've gotten them like a while ago, but obviously it's winter here, so I don't have a chance to wear them yet. However, when I was wearing them in the stores, I do find them quite comfortable, and I don't think I need to break them in like I had to with the tribute sandals, but I will have to give you an update when I do wear these out. So that is the first item. So this is just like the receipts. So these were $630 USDs. So after tax, they were about like almost $700, which is, you know, I stays pretty similar to the triple sandals that I got, because I got these, I think, about $500 too. But just comparing the qualities between these, I do think just by looking and not really wearing them, but by looking, I do find the Hermes sandals a lot better in terms of qualities, because you could tell that the soles are made of leather and they're very comfortable, whereas the triple sandals, my soles are just hard like plastic, since it's not leather, and so hence it's not comfortable. And it's actually got a little bit of support cushion here too, but whereas the triple sandal didn't have that, and the leather feels very soft to touch, as opposed to the tribute sandals, which I already told you guys that the fabric is very rigid and the ledges are very harsh on my skin. So by just simply observation wise, I think the Hermes are much high quality made. In terms of why I picked this color, obviously because I already have the Saint Laurent in black, I'm not going to pick another black pair. I was debating between this and the white, but I just feel like the gold color, this is the gold color actually, would be a lot more versatile. I just find it more like it would go with a lot more of my outfit as opposed to white. So this is why I got them. I think black, white, gold, they're all fabulous choices. And I even saw some like bright colors that are so good for summer. But you know, I think for a starter, I'll start with the gold pair, and if you know, for years to come, and if I really love them a lot, maybe I'll reach out for a more vibrant color like a pink or an orange or like a yellow. So that is the first item. Okay, the second item is da-da-da-da. This item is actually quite special because it's not for me. It's meant for a little baby. Actually, it's a gift that we're gonna give to a very close friend of ours, and for her little precious boy. So I hope she doesn't mind that I'm showing this on camera. I'm not gonna really take out the item from the box, but I can open it to just show you guys what it is. But because it is a gift, I would like to not touch it, and because, you know, it is a gift. So here we go. And I hope they don't watch this video to know that, you know, I opened their gift. Ta-da-da-da! So this is a baby bath towel, and it's got the classic H. I don't know if you can see, but it's blue, it's a light blue, and it's got the classic H all around it. Oh, and there's the gift receipt there. I'm not gonna take it out of the box, and I think this is as much as I'm gonna show, but you get the idea. And I can attach information on this towel for you. It's a pretty standard, even though it's a baby size, it's a baby bath towel. The length, it's very long. It's like a regular adult size towel, and the fabric feels very, very soft. I've tried, when I was getting the shoes, like I saw it in the store, but they only had it in pink. But my friend had a little boy, so it's like, oh, you know, like I wanted to get it in blue, so I had to special order this from a Boston store actually. So for those of you who might not know, you know, if you don't find your items in store, your SA can help you order it from another store, or they can do an worldwide search. So for items that are kind of like, you know, might be like seasonal, or that are kind of just, you know, hard to get items that might be sold out in your country, your SA could actually help you do a worldwide search and then get it from like Australia or something, or like get it from Asia. And then but the only thing with that is that you have to pay upfront, and I don't think there is a return, like you can't return or refund as opposed to other items that you purchase. There you have it. Those are the unboxing. If you guys have any questions about the products I purchased, or you want to ask any things I found about how to get a Birkin or Kelly, please do leave me a comment and like this videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.